Have you ever gotten tripped up or stumbled or had a prospect or a client or a lead or whatever we call them, a friend, ask you a question that you didn't know how to answer? All right, today we're going to talk about how to, when you get tripped up, to not be so tripped up. I'm Gregory Martire, local mentor, coach, real estate team leader, realtor in the Philadelphia area. Appreciate you stopping by. So today I want to talk to you about a tip called, could you repeat that? So anybody, everybody, myself and everybody gets tripped up for one reason or another. So you're out with a prospect or you're talking to a lead or whatever we want to call them. You're having a conversation and someone says to you, and my favorite is, will you cut the commission? Or why do you charge so much? Or is the commission negotiable? Right? They come after your paycheck immediately. Before asking what value do you bring, they're asking you, give me some money. So you simply say, oh, I'm sorry, could you repeat that? And you say it politely and you say it respectfully, and they'll repeat it. Now, it gives everybody a minute or so to take a breath, and they're having to repeat what they just asked you. Now, they're backpedaling a little bit, and you have a little more control so you can breathe and think about what your response might be. So, will you cut your commission? Oh, I see your commission is 7% or 6% or 8%. Will you do it for 4? Oh, I'm sorry, Mrs. Seller. Could you repeat that? So, you always want to ask if they can repeat it. And then you'll ask them why. I hope you found this helpful. If you didn't, you can comment that down below. I can take it. If you did, I'd like to hear from you. Either way, I'd like to hear from you. We do answer all of our comments. I'm Gregory Martire, local realtor, mentor, team leader. Happy to help you in any way I can. Give me a call or send me a text. Appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. Please support our channel. Hit subscribe, hit like, hit comment, hit thumbs up. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.